Hello viewers, this How Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you this outdoor motion sensing solar lights. This one is made by the company LITOM. There are 4 of these solar lights inside this box and you can get these on Amazon for $44. So it's just a little over $10 for each one. Let me unbox this and I'll show you what the solar light looks like. Here's one. There's a user manual, mounting hardware. The second one, third one, and the fourth one. Here's a look at all 4 solar lights and the mounting hardware and the user manual. Let's have a closer look at one of these lights. At the top is a solar panel used to charge the internal battery. In the middle here is a PIR or passive infrared sensor that's used to detect motion. So when a person walks in front of this unit, it'll activate the lights. At the bottom here are 30 high power white LEDs. And as you can see, unlike some of the other solar lights where you only have LEDs on the front side, there are also a couple of LEDs on the side. So you have a nice 270-degree wide angle lighting output. Now this unit is completely waterproof, so you can install this outdoor. Now at the top where you have the solar panel, there's also a photo cell to detect daytime and nighttime. So this unit will only turn on during nighttime, and along with the PIR sensor, it gets activated when it detects motion. Now when you get this new, the unit is turned off. If you look at the back, there's an on-off switch. You need to turn this on. And to show you the light output, I'll turn off the light here. Now when this light gets activated at night, it will turn on for 30 seconds. But if it continues to sense motion, it will continue to illuminate. Installation is very simple. It uses one of these plastic hangers that you see right here, and you mount that onto the wall. And then you place the solar light onto the hanger. I'll be installing the 4 solar lights along this fence right here. Here's a look at the 4 solar lights I installed. Tonight we'll take a look and see how well these solar lights can illuminate this area. Normally this area is completely dark. There are no other lights nearby to illuminate this area. Right now I have the camera pointed at the fence where I installed the solar light. As you can see, it's very dark. I'm going to walk by it and you'll see each of these lights turn on. Now these lights will stay on for 30 seconds and then turn off. Right now I'm standing about 20 feet away from the fence. I'll start walking towards it and see when it triggers. So I just took a few steps and they all turned on. Considering these are battery powered LED lights, they're actually quite bright. Definitely is able to illuminate the area directly in front of it. I would say it can illuminate up to about a distance of 15 feet. As you can see, this LITOM solar light works pretty well. If you place several of these along a wall or fence or walkway, it can really help illuminate the entire area. With its internal rechargeable battery, this unit is completely portable. You can install this anywhere outdoor where it can receive adequate sunlight to charge the internal battery. Now keep in mind, these type of solar lights are meant to illuminate the area directly in front of it. Each of these solar light is rated to output 550 lumens, and if you compare this to an AC powered LED floodlight, those will output more than 1000 lumens. These lights are perfect for installing in places where you normally don't have an AC outlet, and you're looking for a way to illuminate that area. Installation is very simple. With the included plastic hanger, you simply install it with one screw and then you slide the unit over it. If you're interested in getting something like this for your home, I'll include the link in the description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.